Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Green Bengal. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you how to propagate Aralia plant from stem cutting. Aralia is an evergreen perennial beautiful foliage decorative houseplant or shrub in the family Araliaceae. It is mainly native to Asia and America. Aralia is a very low maintenance plant and easy to grow from cuttings. In this video I am going to show you how to propagate Aralia plant from stem cutting. First of all, cut any healthy stem from the main plant. Now I am make potting mix for Aralia plant. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% normal garden soil, 20% fine sand and 20% vermicompost. Mix it well. Take some pots or plastic cup and make some holes bottom of the plastic cup. Fill it with potting mix. Take cuttings and dip into the rooting powder. Make a hole center of the potting mix with your finger or any gardening tools. Place this cutting into the hole and press it gently. Finally, thoroughly watering and keep it partial shade place. After 30 days, cuttings look like this. Look at this root development. Roots are very well developed within 30 days. Now we transplant into the individual pot. Take two pots and cover the drainage hole with some coconut husk. Fill it with potting mix. Plant Aralia into the pot. Finally, thoroughly watering. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.